to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, but with a twist. Forget expensive creams and serums because we're going to uncover the secret to healthy, glowing skin right in your kitchen. So, what are these magical ingredients? Let's take a look at the top 8 vegetables that are fantastic for your skin. First up, we have carrots. These orange wonders are loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin helps repair your skin tissues, promote cell turnover, and protect against sun damage. Next on our list is spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that work wonders for your skin. It contains vitamins A, C, and E, which help fight free radicals and promote a radiant complexion. Now let's talk about sweet potatoes. Not only are they delicious, but they also contain beta-carotene and are rich in vitamins C and E. These nutrients contribute to collagen production, giving you healthier, more elastic skin. Say hello to bell peppers. These colorful veggies are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Collagen keeps your skin firm, reduces wrinkles, and gives you that youthful glow. Next up, we have tomatoes. They're not only great in salads, but also great for your skin. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your skin from harmful UV damage. They also contain vitamins A and C, which contribute to overall skin health. Now let's cool things down with cucumbers. These refreshing veggies are mainly composed of water, which helps keep your skin hydrated and supple. They also contain vitamin C and caffeic acid, which soothe inflammation and reduce redness. Don't forget about broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is a skin superhero. Packed with vitamins C, E, and A, it promotes collagen production and protects your skin from free radicals, leaving you with a radiant complexion. Host. And last but certainly not least, we have the amazing avocado. While technically a fruit, avocados offer numerous benefits for your skin. They're rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, which moisturize your skin, reduce inflammation, and fight oxidative stress. So there you have it, folks, the top 8 vegetables for glowing skin. Incorporating these beauties into your diet can do wonders for your complexion. Remember, a balanced diet, hydration, and a proper skincare routine are the keys to healthy, radiant skin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.